Hi everybody, this is Madhu. Today we are going to make tender coconut prawn curry. Ingredients we need for that: you can add the coconut oil in that. Next we are going to add the urad dal and chana dal in that. Next we are going to add mustard seed. Next methi seed, cumin seed. Now we are going to add garlic, then ginger, you have to saute it properly. Then you have to add that green chili. You can add that curry leaves. Now you can add the small onion into it. You can add some turmeric powder in that, and next coriander powder, then pepper powder. You have to saute it a little bit. Put a little bit of salt in that. You can add chili powder also in that. Now you're going to add tomato puree. Now you can add some coconut water in that. It's ready. Now you're going to add a coconut pulp in that. Some more salt. Now we're going to add that coconut milk. Keep it for 2 minutes. Now the curry is ready. We can add the prawns in that. You have to keep it for 3 to 4 minutes. Now the tender coconut prawn curry is ready.